Developing and constructing solar farms for a living is, in my eyes, kind of a dream job. You want to build a sustainable company, and you want to have a company that you ultimately imagine your kids being able to work for one day. The relationship is very important to us. It's something that we value first and foremost. We continue to forge strong relationships in the industry, and I think the people that we work with are drawn to that. Working with the Trina team has really been a beneficial relationship for us. We have been able to work with our local sales representative who's based in Nashville, which is important, all the way to the president of the company. They are capable of making decisions very quickly. They are efficient. They understand the needs of developers and EPCs in the United States.
As a solar integrator, my job is to work mostly with agricultural clients. So it's neat to see that not only is there a movement for going from farm to table and locally grown and distributed products, but now it's being grown with clean, renewable energy, just like here at Buttonwillow.
As a farmer, one of the ways that we've found that we can help control our costs is by establishing our own solar field to generate the electricity that we use to irrigate the farm.
What makes Trina solar modules quality products is that they're Tier 1 rated. They're very high performance. This Buttonwillow system has exceeded its expected performance, which is always a good thing. That means more dollars in the client's pocket. And it's just really a stand-up product all the way from the manufacturing of it down to the warranty of it.
The warranties and the quality of the panels was a big concern for us because it's a big investment, and we wanted to make sure that we were going with something that we felt confident was going to run the expected life of the system.
There's a lot that keeps me up at night in procurement for a large solar company. I have to make sure that I have everything that's needed on the right time, at the right spec, the right price. We have to represent the quality of every module that we install on a roof. When we entered into our relationship with Trina, we were expecting to have a quality module provider. Little did we know that we were also getting an industry innovator, someone who was very responsive to our needs, and also someone who was moving the marketplace forward by looking beyond the module, looking what to do in racking and in power electronics. Our relationship with Trina is a source of strength which we bring to our customers.
Technology is changing ever so fast. I will invite anybody to install solar systems in their properties. It is a great savings and is the thing of the future.